Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frele, the free and honest rental marketplace.
And I'm Marc Blum, real estate broker at Citi Habitats.
This rental tip comes to you from Gramercy Park. When signing a New York City rental lease, can you negotiate or change some of the language in the lease?
Most landlords do not allow any changes to their lease, as most landlords use the same standard lease that they have used for decades.
Having said that, sometimes individual owners, like in condos and co-ops, are open to changes to the lease.
If the landlord is using a custom lease and not a standard lease, you want to review it very carefully and push back if any of the clauses seem unfair.
And remember, if you don't feel comfortable with the language in the lease and the landlord won't budge, you can always walk away before you sign the lease. For more on this or other rental tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frēlē.com/learn.